Dreamweaver 2018, Creating Additional Pages, Understanding the Basics 2, Part 3. Greetings, Webbies. Now that we've created our unordered list that's going to act as our very basic navigation, it's time to create our additional pages. We've decided that we're going to have 4 pages total. One is the home page that we've already created, and then 3 additional pages. Very easy to do that. We're going to take this basic home page, and remember that we've saved it as index.html because it's the home page, and we've changed the title to our name because we're presuming that this is going to be a portfolio type page. We're not going to take it that far. So now to create an additional page, I'm going to create the About page. I'm going to go File, Save As. Now I'm not overwriting this index page. I'm creating a new page, an additional page. The index page is not going anywhere. But when I do Save As, and I must do Save As, I'm just going to change it from index to About. And then I'll click Save. Now, what I'm going to change on the page is the page title. I'm going to leave my name because I've sort of decided that's the site name since this is a simulated portfolio site. So this is going to be About, and then space, and then pipe. Now I'm leaving my name because About, I'm going to go back and make the A cap, isn't meaningful by itself. For the sake of someone visiting my site, of course, search engines, which is really important, About Suzanne Mistrick as the title of this page makes it more meaningful. And that's totally within best practices. So now I'm going to change a couple of other things on the page. In the H1 tag, I'm going to change that from my name to About. And remember, the title is what shows in the tab that we just changed in the head. And what shows on the page is only what's between the body opening and the body closing tag. So the About that I just changed in the H1 is actually part of the page. And now I'm going to change my first paragraph information, and I'm going to say information about me goes here. Mainly this is just so we see enough of a variation on each page to recognize that it's a different page. I think I'm going to change this to About Me. Okay. And remember, the file name is brief. It has no spaces. It doesn't begin with a number. It's succinct, short. I'm just calling that About. So I'm going to go File. I've already saved it once, so I'm going to go File, Save. Now, you're going to go through and do this to each page. You're going to File, Save As. The file name will be work.html. File, Save As. Contact.html, and then go into the title and change the title to My Work, pipe, then leave your name after that. Contact Me, pipe, then leave your name after that, and remember that's in the title in the head. And then change each page, the H1 tag, to whatever that page is. So I've already done the others. Let me open all the pages. So when you finish up, it should look like this. My index page, my About page, my work page, and my Contact Me page. Yeah, I'm going to go back and make this About Me. It just sounds better with the names of the others. Okay, and then File. And I'll just click Save All in case I forgot to save anything on another page. I didn't, but it doesn't hurt to do it then. So I've created all these pages just from this index.html page. And they all have just the unordered list. No navigation works yet. In the next video, we're going to fast and easy create the working navigation. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.